Let us consider the question related to the natural killer cells, which are abbreviated as NK cells, that is natural killer cells. NK cells. These NK cells, they are considered to be large granular lymphocytes, abbreviated as LGL. They constitute the third kind of cells differentiated from common lymphoid progenitor. Common lymphoid progenitor that generates B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. As NK cells are unique, these are unique.